Chinese traditional cuisine enjoys a long history, and it is very popular worldwide due to its varieties and rich flavors. Now let me show you some of them. Welcome to the Chinese food street. The new restaurant is open. Let's check it out. Roast duck. Let's make roast duck. Brush the sugar water evenly onto the roast duck. Add some wood to build the fire up some more. Let's start to roast. The roast duck is so hot. Let's cool it down with a fan first. The skin of Peking duck tastes great. Use a knife to slice the skin off. Let's make pancake of the roast duck. First, spread on the sweet soybean paste. Pick the side dish you like. Carrot, cucumber, lettuce, lettuce, cucumber, carrot, roll up the pancake. Scallion, 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 purple radish, lettuce, lettuce, carrot, cucumber, carrot, scallion. The roast duck roll looks so yummy. Serve them to the customers. Roast duck. Roast duck was a royal cuisine in ancient China. It has always been a famous dish in Beijing and also enjoys worldwide fame. Cut some pork for the filling of steamed buns. Wrap the delicious meat filling in the buns. It's ready!